All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Transit. It is a T-150, a T-150 mid-roof with 19,000 miles. White with gray vinyl interior, backup camera, AM/FM stereo system, super nice. Best of all, minimal damage around that body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty darn good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim or steel wheel. Tire thread here is 5/36, sorry. This door looks good. This quarter looks pretty good. Does have a couple of, no, I don't see any scratches. Looks pretty good. Front does have power windows, power door lights, and power mirrors. This is your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM/FM stereo system right here. Got your AC controls right down below. Got your backup camera. Boom. All right, this is what your instrument console looks like. You see no lights on except for tire pressure, and your mileage of 19,015 miles. Keep the lights on, move it around, do stuff. Coming around, rear driver's side steel wheel, and your tire thread is at 5/32. It does have some scuffing here on this molding piece, if that could be even be seen. Boom, right there. All right, coming around. Rear here looks pretty good. Does have some scratches, some heavy scratches. They've been touched up, so it's hard to see. All right. All right, this is what your rear cargo area looks like. Look how freaking awesome it looks. Nice and bright with those LEDs. You got your rear door here. As you can see, very nice. This paneling looks good. Normally these panels are beat up. Likewise here, good panel. Rest of the door looks pretty good. All right, this quarter looks pretty good. This door does have quite a bit of, a couple of dents here. Look like all from the inside out. Some here, some here, some here, some more here, and here, and here, and here, and here, and here. And then another one here. All right. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Any tire thread is under 4/32. That's what your side compartment looks like. Boom. Very nice. Nice. Got your steps here. Look good. This door looks pretty good. Seems to have a dent here. about 6 inches. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Your front door here does have a little chippy there. Your front fender. Front passenger steel wheel. And your tire thread is over at 7/32. And that pretty much completes the tour. Your lights are on. They are working. Things are looking nice. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Ford Transit T-150 mid-roof with 19,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.